Hi, it's Michelle from My Purse Strings, and Wise Owl sent me this hammock. It's really popular with teens. You just attach it to any tree, great for traveling, camping, so let's set it up. Everything you need is in this little pouch. It comes with two 9-foot straps, and the hammock, it is attached to the pouch itself, which is pretty convenient. And there's assembly directions attached to the label. Just scan the QR code. We don't have the best trees in my backyard, but my son is going to use this at Sleepaway Camp. He says this is the brand that everyone uses, and it's super easy to use. You just wrap the straps around, wrap it as many times as you want around a good sturdy branch, then wrap it around another tree and do the same. The single hammock holds up to 400 pounds. So this is a great camping hammock, travel hammock. I see teenagers laying on them in local parks near me all the time. It's super small, lightweight, can fit into a backpack, and takes up no room at all in your luggage.